Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn near Amish Country. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn hotel is close to several area attractions. This hotel is minutes away from the Rush County Historical Museum and the Rushville Bowl bowling alley. Indiana Live Casino and Indiana Downs Horse Racetrack are within 24 miles. Architecturally alluring landmarks like the Kennedy-covered bridges can also be found in the area. The nearby Flatrock River, Big Blue River and Little Blue River offer hiking, biking, swimming, boating or fishing. Several restaurants, cocktail lounges and shopping venues are in the vicinity. Some are within walking distance. This hotel offers full-service features and amenities like free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, free coffe, free local calls and fitness center. Your morning breakfast is full of hot options to start your day. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. Business travelers will appreciate modern conveniences afforded in the business center like access to copy and fax services and a public computer with internet access. We also have 2 meeting rooms that can accommodate most functions. Our spacious guest rooms are equipped with pillow-top mattresses, coffee makers, curved shower rods, work desks, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and cable television. Select rooms feature kitchen facilities, microwaves, refrigerators, sofa sleepers and whirlpool bathtubs. Non-smoking rooms are available. We are a pet-friendly hotel, fees apply. Guest laundry facilities are on the premises. Ample parking is available and can accommodate most cars, trucks or buses. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.